Hello students, welcome to the channel Learning Support. I'm Priya. In this video we are doing square roots by division method and the sums selected are from Standard 8 ICSE Board Maths book and exercises 3B. There are quite a few number of sums here. I will be doing some and some y'all can practice on your own, and if you have any queries you can give in comment section. Basically they have same method, but there are some variations which I will be telling you all about. So let us start our first sum, which is 4761. 4761. We have to find square root by division method. First step for this is making pairs of numbers from right to left. First pair, second pair. We put these lines. Now we have to choose squares of numbers which comes closer to 47. That is 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49. 49 goes beyond this, so we will choose 6 6s are 36. 6 we have to write 36 here, and 6 we will write in 3 places. Here plus 6 and 6 here. We'll subtract this 36. We have 11. We'll bring this 2 digits down. We have this number. We will add these two. We have 12. Now next step is we have to write one digit here and we have to multiply it by the same number. So if I write 1, I will multiply it by 1. I have 121. 122. If I take 122, I have to multiply it by 2. It will be 244. We have to come closer to 1161. So we have to think, when will I get 1 again? 1 is for, if I write 1 here, another one is 9 9s are 81. So 129 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, 9 plus 2 11. So I have 1161 number. 1161. I have used digit 9, so I will write it here, and I will add the same thing here. This remainder is 0. We add these two. 138. We have square root of this number. Root of 4761 is 69. Now we can check also whether this answer is correct. If we multiply this number, which is 69, by 2, we should get this number. 69 into 2 is 138. So this is correct. Second sum is 7744. 44. We'll make digits. Number square number closest to 77 we have to choose. 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. So we will choose 8 8s are 64. 8 plus 8, 8 here, 64 here. We subtract it. We have 3, 1. Bring these two digits here. Add these two, 16. Now we have to write number besides this in units place and multiply it by same number. We need 4 here, so we can 262 into 2, 12. This is not close, so we will choose another number which will give us 4. 168 into 8 will give us 1344. So we choose this number 1344. We write 8 here plus 8 and 8 here. Remainder is 0. Add these two numbers. 16, 176. Now root of 7744 is equals to 88, and 88 multiplied by 2 is 176. So this is correct. Third sum, 15129. 15129. We'll make pairs from right to left. 1 is left alone. Okay, we'll For 1 we will use 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1, 1 year. 1 year. Subtract this, we'll get 0. We will bring this 51 down. We bring down 2 digits at a time. 2 year. Now we have to write 21 into 1 will be 21. We want something close to 51. So we'll choose 22 into 2, 44. So 44, 2 plus 2, 2 year. Subtract, we have 7. We will bring this 29 down, and this is 44. Sorry, this is 24. We have to write number in units place and multiply it by same number. So if I write 3 and multiply it by 3, I will get 9. 4 3s are 12. So we have 729. So digits chosen is here 3. We'll write 3, 3, 729 plus 3. This will give us 246. Remainder is 0. So the root of 15129 is equals to 123. 123 multiplied by 2 is 246. So this answer is correct. Next number is 0.2916. Now in this case we will make pairs from left to right. For the decimal numbers we'll make pair from left to right. We'll put 0 point here because this is decimal number. Now for 29 we will use 5 5s are 25. 5 5 5 here, 25 here. Subtract, we have 4. We'll bring this 16 down. We have 10 here. Now we will write something in this place and multiplied by same number. We need 6. So 1 1s will give us 1, 2 2s will give us 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So we will try 4. 16, 416. See, we got the number. We'll write 416 here. We have written 4. So I'll write 4 here plus 4 and 4 here. Remainder is 0. So square root of 0.2916 is equals to 0.54. If I multiply 54 by 2, I have 108. So this is correct. Next sum is 0.001225. We'll make pairs from left to right. Now there are 2 zeros here. So we will have 0.0, 0, 0. We'll write 2 zeros here. We'll bring down this 12. We have 0 here. Now we will use 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 3. We'll write 3 here also. Subtract this. We have 3. Bring down 25. This is 6. Now we have 5 in units place. So we'll multiply. We'll write 5 and multiply it by 5. 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 32. So we got a number 325. 325. Here we have written 5. So 5 here plus 5 and 5 here. Remainder is 0. So we have root of 0.001225 is equals to 0.035. 35 multiplied by 2 gives 70 and we have 70 here. So this is correct. Our next number is 0.023104. Making pairs. For 0.02 we will write 0.1 1s are 1 only we will use 1 1 1 year, 0 1 year. We'll subtract, we have 1, we will bring this 31 down, we have 2 here. Now we have to write 2 2 1, 21 into 1, 22 into 2 will give us 44, 23 into 3 is 69, 24 into 4 is will give us 96, and 25 into 5 we will try, which will give us 125. So we will use 125, 5 5 plus 5. If we subtract, we have 6, we will bring this 0 4, we have 30 here. Now we have to write one number multiplied by same number so that we get 604. If I write 2 multiplied by 2, I'll have 604. So 2 plus 2, 2 here, 604 here, remainder is 0, and the root of 0.023104 is equals to 0.152. 304. 152 multiplied by 2 is 304. So this is correct. Our next sum is 27.3529. We will make pairs, this pair, pair and pair. For 27, we will use 5 5s are 25. 5 plus 5, 5 here, 25. We'll subtract this, we have 2 here. Now we are bringing down numbers after decimal point, so we'll put a decimal point here. This is 35. 5 plus 5 is 10. If I write 1 here, I'll have 101. If I write 2, I'll have 204. With 3, it will bring 300. So I won't use that. I will use 204. This is 2. This is 2. And plus 2 here. We'll subtract this. This is 1, 3. We'll bring this down. 29. We have 104 here. Now 104. I have to write number here and multiply it with same number to get 3129. I want 9 here, so I will try with 3. 9, 4 3s are 12. 3129 is the number. So I have 3129, which I got by using digit 3. So 3, 3, 3 here. Add this 6, 4, 0, 1. Remainder is 0. So root of 27.3529 is equals to 5.23, and 523 multiplied by 2 is 106. Question 2. We have to find square root of 4.2025. For numbers after decimal point, we make pairs from left to right. This number is left single. We will use 2 2s are 4 for this. 2 plus 2, 2 here, 4 here. On subtraction, this gives us 0. Now we are bringing down numbers after decimal point. So we'll put a decimal point here. This is 20. This is 4. Now if I write 1, it will give me 41 into 1, which is more than 20. So I will write 0. 40 multiplied by 0 will give us 0, and I'll put 0 here also, plus 0. This will give 0. 20. We'll bring this 25 down. This is 40. Now I should have to write number in the units place such that I should get 2025. So I will try with 5 only. 25, 4 5s are 20. So I'll write 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, and this is 2025. Remainder is 0. So square root of 4.2025 is 2.05, and 205 multiplied by 2 gives us 410. So this is correct. Next sum is 531.7636. After decimal, left to right. Before decimal, right to left. For 5, I will use 2 2s are 4. 2 here plus 2, 4 and 2 here. This gives us 4. Subtraction, we'll get 1, 3, 1. 41 into 1 will give us 41. 42 into 2 is 84. 43 into 3 is 129, which is closest. So I will use 43. 129 plus 3. On subtraction, we'll get 2. Now we are crossing this decimal point and bringing this 76 down. So we'll put a decimal point here. We have 276. This is 46. Now even if I write 1, 461 is greater than 276. So I have to write 0 here plus 0, 0 here, zeros, because we multiply by whatever we write here, we multiplied by that number. If this is 0 multiplied by 0, all this will become 0. Now this will give us 276. We will bring this 36 down. Here we have 460. Now we want 27636. We will check it with 4604, because 4 4s are 16 it is. That will give us 18416, which is not close to this number. So we will check 4606 multiplied by 6. That gives us 27636. So we will write 6 here, here plus 6 and 27636 here. Remainder is 0. We have 124612. So square root of 531.7636 is equals to 23.06. 2306 multiplied by 2 is 4612. So this answer is correct. Next number is 0.007225. We'll make pairs. Now 2 zeros are there. We will start with the 0 in A. 0.0. Again zeros here, 2 zeros, 0. Now we'll bring this 72 down. We'll use square, which is 8 8s are 64. 8, 8, 64 plus 8. If you subtract this, we will have 8 here. We'll bring this 25 down. We have 16. Now we have to write 16 number and multiply it by same number, which should give us 825. So I will try with 5. That gives us 825. So 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 825 here. On subtraction we get 0. This is 170. So root of 0.007225 will give us 0.085, and 85 multiplied by 2 is 170. That is correct answer. Question 3. We have to find square root of 245, correct up to 2 decimal places. For 2 decimal places, we should have 3 pairs of numbers after decimal point. So we will find square root of 245 point. Now numbers are not there, so we'll put pairs of zeros, 3 pairs of zeros, we will find square root of this number. In answer we will get 3 places. Third place we will round off and make it 2. For 496 we have to find square root correct up to 3 decimal places. For 3 decimal places we should have 4 pairs of numbers after decimal point. So we have to find square root of 496 point. We'll have 4 pairs of numbers. Now we don't have any number after decimal point, so we'll use zeros, 4 pairs of zeros. Answer will have 4 digits after decimal point, and fourth place we will round off and make it 3. 82.6 we have to find up to 2 decimal places, correct up to 2 decimal places. 82.6, now 1 place is there but it is single, so we'll put 0 here, 1 pair, second pair and third pair. This is for correct up to 2 decimal places. 0.065 has to be done correct up to 3 decimal places. So we have 0.06, one pair we have, second one is 50 and third one we have taken zeros. No, this is up to 3 decimal places, so we need 4 pairs of numbers after decimal point. For 5.20 we need correct up to 2 decimal places, so we should have 3 pairs of numbers after decimal point. Now we already have 2. We'll put one more 0 here. 0.602 has to be done correct up to 2 decimal places, so we need 3 pairs of numbers after decimal point. Okay, we have 3. Answer will have 3 digits after decimal point, which we will round off and make it 2. Out of this I will do this 245 and 0.065. Root of 245 correct to 2 decimal places. We have to take 3 pairs of zeros after decimal point. For 2 we can use 1 ones are 1, squares we have to use in first step. So 1 ones are 1, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. On subtraction we get 1. 45 we can bring down. We have 1 plus 1, 2 here, and we have to write a number here and multiply by the same number and write the answer here, which should be closest to this number. So we have 25 into 5, which is 125, and 25 plus 5 gives us 30. On subtraction we get 20 here. We will bring down these 2 zeros. We have 2000. Now for this 2000 we have to write number next to 30 and multiply it by the same number which comes closest to 2000. 306 into 6 gives us 1836, which is the closest number. We'll subtract. We have this number 164. We'll bring 2 more zeros down. We have 312 here. Again we will write number and multiply it by same number so that it becomes closest to this number. We have 15625. On subtraction we have 775. We'll bring back 2 more zeros here and continue till we have 3 digits in the answer. So after decimal point, so root of 245 is 15.652, but we need correct up to 2 decimal places, so we will round off. This 2 is less than 5, so we'll just leave it. Answer is 15.65. If this was greater than 5 or it was 5, we will increase this number by 1, so then it will become 15.66 if this was 5 or greater than 5. We have to find square root of 0.0650 correct up to 3 decimal places. We had 3 digits, 0.065. So to make 4 pairs of numbers, we'll add zeros so that we make 4 pairs of numbers. In answer we get 4 digits which we round off and make 3. method of finding square root is same basically. Initially this is point here, so we will start with a point, and for 6 we will use 2 to the 4, subtract from here, add these two numbers and write here. We'll write this 2 here also, and we have to write number here and we have to multiply it by same number so that we come close to number 250. This goes on till we get 4 digits here. After that we will stop. Now the important thing is, like, here these numbers are quite big and it is difficult to judge when we will get this number. So you can try not to multiply full number, but think, like, 5081 multiplied by 1 will give 5000 something, but we have 48,000 here. So if I multiply it by 9, which will give me 45,000 something. 10, if I multiply by 10, that will become 50,000. So this will be better option. So we will use that one. So it is just trial and error. You think how when you are going to get this number and do it. So square root of number 0.065 is 0.2549, but these are 4 decimal places. We will round off 4th place to 3. This number is 9, which is more than 5. So we will skip this number and increase 1 in 4. So the answer becomes 0.255. That's the answer.